All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to another episode of this tutorial. Okay, so you know how we do it here. You're welcome, you're highly welcome. If this is your first time coming across to this YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. We are bringing by tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, WAEC, NECO, and a whole lot of them. So if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so if you have done that already, thank you so much and God bless you. All right, so let's get right to the video. Before I continue, I want to introduce our WhatsApp platform to you. All right, so we have a WhatsApp platform. It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidate, okay, or our 2025 candidate as well. Okay, you can join us. So the only way you can join us is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I will definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp group. All right, so there in the WhatsApp group you benefit a whole lot from there. Okay, there you can have time to talk with me one-on-one if you have any issues that you feel like you want to discuss with me, and if you have any video you want me to do for you as well, you let me know in the comment section. All right, so let's get right. So today, you know how we do it. I always give you guys revision questions. Okay, some people that have written their Post UTME has equally called me to thank me for these videos out there. I just put out a few video of it and they have come to testify, so I'm here to give you more of the videos. All right, so you need to work very hard with me so that we'll make sure that you succeed with this little time you have. Okay, if you have not written your own, I wish you good luck and I wish you success. All right, so follow up, read with your past questions. Okay, you will succeed. Okay, so until I see you, let's continue. So the next one, the first one says the Clifford Constitution was notable for dash. Okay, amalgamating the northern and southern provinces. Okay, so B is introducing indirect rule. Okay, C is establishing the legislative council. D is creating a northern majority in legislative council. So the correct option is option C, which is introducing the legislative council. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Next one is the second one, which says in a federal constitution, legislative powers that are shared by two levels of government are referred to as dash. In a federal constitution, legislative powers that are shared by two levels of government are referred to as dash. A, exclusive. B, extraordinary. C, residual. D, concurrent. So the correct option is concurrent. Okay, the correct option is concurrent. Number three says universal adult suffrage means or dash. Universal adult suffrage means or except dash. Okay, A is adult citizens can vote. B, citizens vote. C, qualified citizens can vote. D, literate citizens can vote. E, adult males vote. Okay, the correct option is option A, which is adult citizens can vote. Okay, so the number 4 says a bill that applies to the whole population and is intended to promote the general welfare is called dash. A private bill. B, a decree. C, an appropriation bill. D, a public bill. E, an edict. So the correct option is option D, which is a public bill. All right, so let's go to the number 5. Number 5 is the Arthur Richards Constitution was designed to last for dash. A, 9 years. B, 5 years. C, 12 years. D, 6 years. So the correct option is option A, which is 9 years. Okay, So let's go to the sixth one. Sixth one says, under the 1983 Republican Constitution, the president exercised A. Judicial powers, B. Executive powers, C. Nominal powers, D. Concurrent powers. So the correct option is executive powers. Number 7. During the period 1980 to 1966, right, Nigerians was governed under the dash. Supposed to be 1966 to 1980. Okay, Nigeria was governed under the dash. A. Presidential system of government, Westminster system of government, confederal system of government, and unitary system of government. So the correct option is option B, which is Westminster system of government. Okay, now the next question there is question 8, which says, which of the following in the Sokoto Caliphate? Which of the following in the Sokoto Caliphate performed functions similar to that of the Bashorun in Oyo Kingdom? A is Waziri, B is Galadima, C is Maji, D is Akale, which is Waziri. That's the correct option. Number 9. In the Igbo political system, the most senior member of the Council of Elders is referred to as dash. A. Okpara, B. Obi, C. Eze, D. Ofo. A is Okpara. That is the correct option. Okay, so the number 10. A non-monarchical state can best be described as dash. As a dash. A. Republic, B. Confederation, C. Nation, D. Federation. Republic is the answer, which is option A. 11th one says, proportional representation favors a dash. A. Multi-party system, B. Three-party, C. Two-party system, D. One-party system. So the correct option is multi-party system, which is option A. The 12th question, which is the last question, says, one major factor that differentiates the presidential from the parliamentary system is dash. A. Separation of powers, B. Judicial independence, C. Passage of bills, then D. Party system. So the correct option there is separation of powers. All right, so that's the correct option there. Okay, thank you for staying from beginning of this very video to the very last side of this very video. Okay, so if you have gotten any value from this video, let me know in the comment section. All right, so please practice with this video. It definitely help you. All right, practice with it. I'm just begging you should practice with it. The reason why I'm begging you is because I know the importance of Post UTME. All right, that's why I'm begging you. I don't want any of you to fail. All right, so I want you all to succeed. So you need to practice with this video, and it will help you all, guys. Okay, so let me see you again in our WhatsApp in our next video. Okay, so don't forget I love and cherish you all. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for coming back to check for this small update. Until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish all of you guys. Okay, keep winning.